Hello friends, I am VM. In this video, I will show you how to connect HP LaserJet 126 printer by using LAN connection. Okay, open control panel, open view device and printers. Now you search here printer and scanner. Now you see here this is our USB connection, USB printer connection. Check property, click on port. Now you see this is our USB connection. Now I am going to show you how to connect this printer with LAN. Okay, tap on or click on add device. Now you see here this is our available printer. Click on add device, add printer. You see printer is now installing. Now you see installing drivers. After this, now check printer is now installed in your PC or laptop. Okay, that's it. Take a test print and check once. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.